Hello, everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into the business model of Ramp and how the company generates its revenue. So let's get started. Ramp is a rapidly growing SaaS, software as a service, and fintech company that has been making waves in the industry. It has saved its customers a significant amount of money and time, and its innovative approach has set it apart from traditional players in the market. Ramp's revenue model is unique in that it focuses on saving companies time and money, which goes beyond just good marketing. This approach has laid the groundwork for the company's ambitious goals. The company offers a range of products such as bill pay, travel, negotiation, receipt integrations, and a new Chrome extension, many of which are provided for free. While the company might be able to monetize these offerings directly or indirectly, its primary focus has been on building trust and automating processes for its customers. Ramp's long-term vision involves creating a generational business by building moats through great software and targeting the CFO suite. By competing with multi-billion-dollar industry incumbents and maintaining high customer satisfaction scores, Ramp has positioned itself as a disruptive force in the market. In conclusion, Ramp's business model is centered around saving time and money for its customers, building trust, and providing innovative, free-to-use products. This approach has allowed the company to achieve rapid growth and secure significant financing. As Ramp continues to expand its offerings and customer base, it will be fascinating to see how its business model evolves in the future.